Welcome everyone. I am Satish from EEE department in TJS Engineering College. Today topic is voltage multiplier. Let's move on to the topic. Content, definition, types, voltage doubler, voltage multiplier, advantages, disadvantages, applications. What is voltage multiplier? A voltage multiplier is an electrical circuit that converts AC electrical power from a lower voltage to a higher DC voltage, typically using a network of capacitors and diodes. Voltage multipliers can be used to generate a few volts for electronic appliances to millions of volts for purposes such as high energy physics experiment and lightning safety testing. The most common type of voltage multiplier is the half-wave series multiplier, also called the violet cascade. Types of voltage multipliers. Depending on the output voltage, multiplier can be different types: voltage doubler, voltage tripler, voltage quadrupler. Voltage doubler. A voltage doubler uses two stages to approximately double the DC voltage that would have been obtained from a single stage rectifier. An example of voltage doubler is found in the input stage of switch mode power supplies containing a SPDT switch to select either 120 volt or 240 volt supply. In the 120 volt position, the input is typically configured as a full wave voltage doubler by opening one AC connection point of a bridge rectifier and connecting the input to the function of two series connected filter capacitors. For 240 voltage operation, the switch configures the system as full wave bridge, reconnecting the capacitor center tap wire to open AC terminal of a bridge rectifier system. This allows 120 or 240 volt operation with the addition of a simple SPDT switch. A voltage tripler is a three-stage voltage multiplier. A tripler is a popular type of voltage multiplier. The output voltage of a tripler is in practice below 3 times the peak input voltage due to their high impedance, caused in part by the fact that as each capacitor in chain supplies power to the next, it partially discharges. This is the circuit diagram of a voltage multiplier. This is a half-wave voltage doubler. A voltage multiplier whose output DC voltage is double the peak AC input voltage is called voltage doubler. The figure shows the circuit of half-wave voltage doubler. During the positive half cycle of the input signal, the diode D1 conducts and the diode D2 is cut off, charging the capacitor C1 up to the peak rectified voltage, that is Vm. During the negative half cycle diode, D1 is cut off and D2 diode conducts, charging capacitor C2. It may be noted that during negative half cycle, the voltage across capacitor C1 is in series with the input voltage. Therefore, the total voltage presented to capacitor C2 is equal to equal to 2 Vm during the negative half cycle. On the next positive half cycle of the diode D2 is non-conducting and the capacitor will discharge through the load. If no load is connected across capacitor C2, both capacitors stay charged at their full values. It may be noted that both the diodes D1 and D2 have a peak inverse voltage of 2 Vm each. This is a full wave voltage doubler. The figure shows the another voltage doubler circuit known as full wave voltage doubler. In this circuit, during the positive half cycle of AC input voltage, Diode D1 conducts charging capacitor C1 to a peak voltage Vm with polarity. The diode D2 is cut off at this time. During the negative off cycle, the diode D2 conducts charging capacitor C2 to Vm. If there is load connected across the output, then the output voltage is equal to 2 Vm across the output. However, if the load is connected, then the voltage would be less than 2 Vm. This is the waveform of a voltage doubler. It represents the two types: input voltage waveform and output voltage waveform. Advantages: the advantages of the voltage multipliers are low cost, produce high voltage, alternative of transformers. And the disadvantages are need protection circuit, low current, delay greater than transformer, cost depend upon capacitor. Applications: there are various type of applications in voltage doubler. AC to DC applications such as oven, used in high voltage low current applications such as accelerating purpose in cathode ray tube. Voltage multiplier used in high energy physics is the Cockcroft-Walton generator. The Cockcroft-Walton generator serves as a more efficient high voltage source for the photomultiplier tubes, requires up to 2000 volt, used in low cost instrument, used in laser and X-ray, etc. Thank you.